Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the problem from the second unit of fluid mechanics second, that is introduction to open channel flow. Okay. So the problem statement is, in examination there is a problem for 3 or 6 marks. Okay. So the problem statement is, during an experiment in a laboratory, 0.05 meter cube of a water flowing over a right angle notch was collected in 1 minute. If the head of the if the head of the seal is 50 mm, then calculate the coefficient of discharge of the notch. Okay, this is the problem statement. Now we start with the solution. So in solution, first of all we will write the given data. Next to that, what to find. Okay, and after that we start with the solution. So we write here solution. In solution, first of all we write given data. In this problem statement, they are given us the volume. We denote it as V is equal to 0.05 meter cube. This is the denotation for the volume, that is 0.05 meter cube. Next, they are given the time. Time is denoted by small t, which is 1 minute. Okay, so we convert this time into seconds. So we get the 1 minute is nothing but the 60 seconds. Okay, next the given head, that is capital H, which is equal to 50 mm. Again we have to convert this 50 mm into meter, that is 0.05 meter. Now we have to find the coefficient of a discharge of the notch. Okay, so we will write to find coefficient of discharge. Okay, so for calculating coefficient of discharge, there is a formula for the discharge through the notch. So we will write discharge through the notch which is calculated by formula. This is a standard formula. Discharge is denoted by Q, volume. Q is equal to volume upon time. So they given us volume, which is nothing but 0.05 meter cube. So we write here 0.05. Time is nothing but 1 minute. We converted it within second, so 60, and we get the value for the discharge is 8.333 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube per second. Okay, This is the value for Q. Q is nothing but discharge through the notch. Okay, 8.333 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter cube per second. Here unit for the discharge is meter cube per second. Now for calculating the next terms, we have to draw one diagram. Okay, I will draw here for the notch. Okay, this center line made the angle of 45 degree. This is the total head, which is nothing but 0.05 meter. Okay, this is the head. We converted mm into meter. We write here head is nothing but 0.05 meter. Okay, by using this diagram, we have to calculate the discharge through the notch. So we write here discharge is given by again there is a formula for calculating discharge through the notch. Q is equal to 8 by 15 into CD tan of theta by 2 into under root 2g h raised to 5 by 2. This is the standard formula for calculating discharge through the notch. Okay, I repeat again, Q is equal to 8 by 15 CD into tan of theta by 2 into under root 2g h raised to 5 by 2. As shown in diagram, here the notch making the angle of 90 degree with this portion. So single notch, that is right angle notch, theta is equal to 90 degree. So tan theta by 2 is nothing but 1. So we write here, since right angle notch theta is equal to 90 degree. So tan of theta by 2 is equal to 1. So we put this value in above equation. So we get that Q is equal to, we have calculated the value for Q, which is equal to 8.333 into 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to 8 by 15. We have to calculate the CD, so we write CD into tan theta by 2 is nothing but 1 into under root 2 into g is nothing but gravity, so there is a value for gravity is 9.81 into head is 0.05 raised to 5 by 2. Okay, so after solving this equation, we get the value, that is 1.32 into 10 raised to minus 3 CD. Okay, here we write 8.333 into 10 raised to minus 4 as it is. So 8.333 into 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to 1.32 into 10 raised to minus 3 CD. From this we calculate the CD is equal to 0.63. Okay, this is our final answer. CD is nothing but the discharge through the notch. Okay, so this is our final answer. Thank you.